Namaste students, I am JV Dr. Aziz Mohammed from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic which was the continuous part of the membrane. So in the previous video I discussed about the membrane filters, what are the membrane filters and what are the membrane filter material and different how many numbers of the membrane filters can be used, and what are the types of the filtration techniques, and what is the process of the membrane filtration, and what are the criteria of the membrane filtration, and what are the advantages of the membrane filtration. So in the continuation, I will discuss about the membrane configuration. What should be the membrane configuration? So the membrane configuration refers to the geometry of the membrane, and this is based on the position in space. Okay, it is the position in the space in relation to the flow of the fluid, which flow in the permeate, which allow the permeate to pass. So, a membrane configuration refers to the geometry of the membrane and its position in space in relation to the flow of the fluid and of the permeate. And what are different kinds of configuration? Spiral bound. It is flexible permeate spacer between two flat membrane sheet. Next is the hollow fiber. It is inside out, outside inflow. Tubular, it is either in single or in bundles inside or outside. And the plates and frame, it has series of flat membrane sheets and support plates. So we are going to discuss all these about one by one. First one is the spiral wound configuration. What is the spiral wound configuration? In the spiral wound configuration, the modules were developed to remove dissolved solids and are most often associated with the RO system, okay, RO process, and some special techniques, reverse osmosis. And the basic unit is a sandwich. It is like a sandwich of flat membrane sheet, which is called as the leaf wound around the central perforated. And one leaf consists of two membrane sheets which are placed back to back and separated by a spacer, which is called as the permeate. And layers of the leaf are glued along with edges which are seated around the perforated central tube. So I must share the screen here so that you can understand it. So this is a spiral wound configuration, and this is a sandwich. It is a sandwich of flat membrane. Okay, it is a sandwich of flat membrane sheet, which is called as a leaf. Okay, it is a leaf-like structure, and one leaf here. This is the one leaf, and this is the second leaf. The one leaf consists of two membrane sheets. It consists two membrane sheets which are placed one back to back. This is one, and second number is behind this. And they are also separated by a spacer. Here there is a spacer. This is the separate netting. There are also some separator spacer, and the layers of leaf are these are glued. There are three edges here, and they are glued here by While unglued as is also sealed. Here it is glued and the unglued. This is the unglued area, and it is also sealed around the tube. So they are mixed together. This is one, and this is one. This is sandwich. It is sandwich. It is wound up. It will be wound to each other. It is a permeate molecule which will allow the molecules to pass through, and these are the pores which support the membrane to flow the permeate, and this is the flow direction, how the water will flow. Okay, this is the flow from here. It will pass in this direction, and from here it will enter it, and now it will come here. Okay, come here. The permit will come here. So this. So it is very simple thing. Next is hollow fiber tube. Hollow fiber type membrane filtration. In these modules are composed of the hollow fiber membrane. Hollow fiber. There are some tube hollow like tubes are there, and which are long and very narrow tubes. Means 1 tube, 2 tube, 3 tube, 4 tube, 5 tube. So if we talk about a fiber tube like a wire, there are different tubes inside a wire that may be constructed of membrane material. The fibers may be bundled. They are in a bundle in one of several different arrangement. Fibers can be uh, bundled together longitudinally, plotted in regions or both ends, and they can be encased in a pressure vessel also. So I must share the screen so that you can understand it. So this is the hollow fiber. In this hollow fiber, there are some different tube-like hollow, which is around a particular hollow fiber, and these tubes are bundled. They are in a bundle like a structure, one inside one, many inside a single tube, and they are arranged in a single manner. They are composed of the membrane. Composed of the membrane. So water will enter inside it here in this direction, and only some molecules will be allowed to pass through it, and unallowed particulates will be retentate, which will not be allowed to pass through the membrane and will be separated. And the filter water will be separated. So I hope it is very easy to understand. Hollow fiber module may operate in inside out or outside in inside out or outside in module. Means inside from inside to outside or from outside to inside. And in inside outside fluid, water enter the center of the fiber. Water will enter at the center of the fiber and is filtered rapidly through the fiber wall. Okay, inside out means it will enter from the center and it will flow from the uh, corner, from the wall of the filter wall. So it flow through the wall of the filter wall, and the filter is then collected from outside the fiber. So it is in inside out mode, inside out mode. During outside in operation, the feed is passes through the outside of the fiber to the inside, where the filtrate is collected in the center of the full mode, inside out, outside in. The next, the tubular configuration. last one is the plate and frame configuration. So I must share the screen here so that you can understand about the tubular. This is the tubular configuration. Here there are different tubes here. So you can find also here and also here. So these are the tubes in which these are the membrane filters. These are the membrane filters. So the feed, the feed will pass through here and it will enter all these tubes here. And part, this part is a filtered part, okay, which will allow the molecules which are allowed by the filter, which are allowed by the membrane filter. And this part is part which is not allowed by the filter, and it will be collected in the return tube. So only some molecules will be allowed to pass through the tubular configuration. So this is the diagram of the tubular configuration. Here there are this is the single tube, and in this tube these are different multiple tubes are there. And in this the feed will enter from here or the inside, and from the inside to outside. First it will enter in the center, and after that it will uh, be filtered and will be collected from the wall of the tube, from the wall of the tube. So the same thing is here. It is inside out filter configuration, and it is outside in hollow filter configuration. In this inside out, it is the feed is inserted from the center, and it will come outside through the wall. And in the outside, the feed is entered here through wall. Through wall, it is entered through the wall, and after filtration, it will come. It will be collected from the center. Okay, it will be collected from the center. So this is tubular configuration. The next is the plate and frame configuration. This is the final type of configuration in the membrane filtration. There are different membranes. These are different membranes in parallel organization, and a spacer is between these membrane filters. Okay, and the product of two membrane sheets are bound together with a product carrier sheet between them. So here they are maintained here. Okay. In this there are the product is collected in this manner from outside to inlet, and from the inlet to the outside. Here the inlet, from the inlet the water is inserted inside, and uh, it will pass through the filters, and then it will go to the outside particulates. This is not known as the plate in the frame filters, where the plates and the frames are there. So I hope that the students have better understand all these membrane configuration, what are different variation in the membrane filtration, and how they can be used. What kind of questions can be asked in this lecture? The students can be asked Python examiner that explain the different configuration of the memory filter. The questions which can also arise here can also be explain hollow fiber configuration, explain tubular configuration, explain viral wound free configuration. So they can ask separately, like explain, create in frame configuration, and write, write down about each configuration with their suitable examination, examples, and suitable diagrams. So anything can be asked. So my lecture is over here. If you have any query, you can ask me. So thank you very much.